India. Part 2.
Hi friends, welcome to my new video regarding the second part of geography lesson, soil resources in India. Here I am going to discuss about some important exam oriented MCQs. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Dash has occupied largest area of the country. Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, red soil. Option 4, black soil. Which is the correct option? First option A is the correct answer, alluvial soil. Next question, question number 2. Cotton is grown best in the soil. Option A, Khadar. Option B, Bangar. Option C, black soil. Option D, laterite soil. The correct option is Z. Black soil is the correct answer. Next question number 3. Which soil is called river soil? Option A, laterite soil. Option B, sandy soil. Option C, alluvial soil. Option D, loamy soil. Option C is the correct answer, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the correct answer. Alluvial soil is called river soil. Question number 4. The soil which is formed by the crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Option A, laterite soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, black soil. Option D, alluvial soil. The correct option is B, red soil. Next question, question number 5. Which soil is ideal for jute cultivation? Option A, laterite soil. B, alluvial soil. C, black soil. D, red soil. Which is the correct option? Option B is the correct option, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is ideal for jute cultivation. Next, sixth question. The Indo-Gangetic plain contains this soil. Option A, red soil. Option B, black soil. Option C, laterite soil. And option D, alluvial soil. The correct option and the answer is alluvial soil, fourth option. Seventh question. Which one among these does not control soil degradation? Option A, afforestation. Option B, deforestation. Option C, contour farming. Option D, embankment. The correct option B, deforestation. Next question 8. Black soil is deficient in calcium carbonate. First option A, calcium carbonate. B, potash. C, phosphoric content. D, magnesium. C is the correct option, phosphoric content. Ninth question. Erosion on thin upper layer of soil is known as option A, shore erosion. Option B, sheet erosion. Option C, gully erosion. Option D, rill erosion. The second option B is the correct answer, sheet erosion. Next, 10th question. Convectional rainfall occurs whenever the temperature crosses option A, 22 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Option B, 30 degrees C to 32 degrees C. Option C, 42 degrees C to 43 degrees C. Option D, 72 degrees C to 82 degrees C. Which is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer, and 42 that is 42 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Next question 11. Most of the agricultural areas of India are depend on option A, monsoon. Option B, drip irrigation. Option C, irrigational channels. Option D, sprinkling irrigation system. Option A is the correct answer, monsoon. Most of the agriculture areas of India are dependent on monsoon. Next question. Question number 12. Which one of these brings rain during winter? Option A, Kal Baishagi. Option B, Lu. Option C, mango showers. Option D, western disturbances. Option D is the correct answer, western disturbances. Next, question number 13. Which period is considered as transition period? Option A, October and November. Option B, August and September. Option C, December and January. Option D, March and April. Which is the correct answer? Option A, October and November. October and November is considered as transition period. Question number 14. In which place western disturbances does not bring rainfall? First option, Kerala. A, Kerala. B, Haryana. C, Punjab. D, Uttarakhand. Option number A is the correct answer, Kerala. Next, 15th question. Belts of trees and shrubs are planted to. Option A, check the velocity of wind. Option B, check the speed of water. Option C, provide shade for farmers. Option D, none of these. So which is the correct answer? Belts of trees and shrubs are planted to check the velocity of wind. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 16. The black soil is also known as. Option A, sedentary soil. Option B, black soil. Option C, Khadar. Option D, Bangar. The first option, sedentary soil, is correct. Option A is the correct answer. The black soil is also known as sedentary soil. Next, question number 17. Dash soils are formed under conditions of high temperature and heavy rainfall with alternate wet and dry periods. Option number A, laterite soils. Option number B, black soils. Option number C, alluvial soil. Option number D, red soil. Which is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer, laterite soil. Next, question number 18. Which soil is formed strictly under monsoon conditions? Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, black soil. And option D, red soil. Option B is the correct answer, laterite soil. Laterite soil is formed strictly under monsoon. Next, 19th question. The floodplains of the river is occupied by. First option, Khadar. Second, Bangar. Third option, black soils. And fourth option D, alluvial soils. For the second option, B is the correct answer, Bangar soil. Which of the following is the most widespread and most productive category of soil? Question number 20. Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, black soil. Option D, forest soil. Option A is the correct answer, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most widespread and most productive category of soil. Next, question number 21. Which one of the following is the main reason for the loss of the topsoil in India? Option A, wind erosion. Option B, water erosion. Option C, excessive leaching. And option D, none of these. The second option, B, is the correct answer, water erosion. Water erosion is the main reason for the loss of topsoil in India. Next, question number 22. Arable land in the irrigated zones of India is turning saline due to. Option A, addition of gypsum. Option B, overgrazing. Option C, over irrigation. And option D, use of fertilizers. Which is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer, over irrigation. Next, question number 23. A mixture of rock debris and organic materials which develop on the earth's surface and nurture life is called. Option A, Banga. Option B, Babar. Option C, Khada. Option D, soil. Soil is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 24. Destruction of a layer of soil is called. Option A, soil erosion. Option B, soil conservation. Option C, soil degradation. Option D, soil formation. Correct answer is option A, soil erosion. Next, question number 25. Loss of fertility of soil is called. Option A, soil erosion. Option B, soil conservation. Option C, soil degradation. Option D, soil formation. Which is the correct answer? Soil degradation. Loss of fertility of soil is called soil degradation. Next, question number 26. Which soil is formed by the occurrence of volcanoes? Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, black soil. Option C, laterite soil. Option D, peaty soil. Correct answer, option B, black soil. Next question, question number 27. The word laterite is derived from the Latin word later, which means option A, brick. Option B, infertile lands. Option C, gold soil. Option D, eroded soil. Later means brick. From option number A is the correct answer, brick. Question number 28. What is the color of the arid soil? Option A, black. Option B, yellow. Option C, brown. Option D, red and brown. Answer is red and brown. Red and brown is the color of arid soil. Next question, question number 29. What percentage of India is covered with alluvial soils? Option A, 10%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 30%. Option D, 40%. The answer is option D, 40%. Next, question number 30. Which is the following is not a feature of black soil? Option A, it is suitable for the cultivation of cotton. Option B, it has more capacity of absorbing moisture. Option number C, it becomes loamy and sticky when wet. Option D, it has high iron content. Which is the correct answer? It has high iron content. Option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 31. Finger gullies can be eliminated by option A, terrace farming. Option B, contour farming. Option C, regulated forestry. Option 4 and D, controlled grazing. Which is the correct answer? Answer A is the correct answer. Terrace farming is the correct answer. Next, question number 32. The country is losing about how much hectares of land to ravens every day? Option A 5,000 hectares, option B 6,000 hectares, option C 7,000 hectares, and option 4, option D 8,000 hectares. Which is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer, 8,000 hectares. The country is losing about 8,000 hectares of land to ravens every day. That is the correct answer, 8,000 hectares. This is the last question. And thank you and have a nice day.